Hey everybody, Charles here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change your ATV battery. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be changing the battery in this 2001 Kawasaki, and procedures will be similar on a lot of ATVs, but be sure to know the specifics for your ATV before getting started. Once you've determined you need a battery, we can help you find the best replacement and dispose of your old battery for you. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Here's what you'll do. Park your ATV on a level surface and find the release for the seat so it can be removed. Once the seat is removed and set aside, determine the tool you'll need to remove the battery hold down. This could be a screwdriver or ratchet and socket. Loosen the hold down and remove it. Now you'll disconnect the cables from the battery terminals. Disconnect the negative cable first, which is marked with a minus sign. Just use your socket to loosen this enough to slip the connector off. And move it to the side out of your way. Make sure it's not resting on bare metal. Same thing with the positive cable. And at this point, you can carefully lift the battery out. Before installing the new battery, make sure you have the appropriate height adapter or adapters to ensure the top of the battery is level with the hold down. Put your new battery in place with the terminal posts in the same orientation as they had been previously. Remove the new hardware from the post and use it to reattach the positive cable first. Then the negative. And make sure the cables are tightened securely so that there's no movement. Once the battery itself is seated, reattach the hold down. And make sure the battery is snug. Put the seat back in place. And make sure it's secure. Turn on the ignition to ensure everything is properly installed. Since your ATV is likely to go extended periods without use, keep a battery maintainer on hand and connected during periods of inactivity so that it's ready to go when you are. And that's it. Everything you need for this and other jobs is available at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.